Let's move forward here with adding in this text here at the bottom. And most of this part, and then we're going to make each div clickable. See how when we scroll over them, each div is clickable, not just the buttons. But most of this part is going to be a refresher on stuff you've already learned. So we might speed through it here, or we're going to speed through it here. If you have any questions, put them in the discussion forum. We'll be good to go. So we're going to create 2 paragraphs. And actually, it'll be quicker if we just do view page source, and we go down here. And we'll grab that. We'll grab that. All right, now let's look at ours. All right, so you can see obviously, yeah, they're way up here. A lot of changes. So what we're going to do is basically is first off, each of these, we want each of these divs, we want the paragraphs to start all the way down here. So we need to put in a padding in each of these divs. And we can get that from what we did here. So we'll do text align and padding top. We'll do text align, padding top, and you understand that, what that means. You can see the padding over here, right there as we hover over it. So we'll grab both of those. That way it'll push this, whatever is the content, which in our case, first content is paragraph in each of these, down 235 pixels. So we can see this. They should all be pushed down 235 pixels. Perfect. I'm going to add a little bit more to that just to be safe. Beautiful. Text align. What else do they do to the paragraphs here? This is cool. So it doesn't go the full 100. They give it 90%, which right now these don't go the full 100 either, but that's just because of the word on the next line. So we'll do that as well. The cool thing is there's already some padding built in. Padding left, padding right. So we don't have to worry about that. It doesn't go the full 100%, so that's perfect. What else? That looks good. We just need to grab, we don't need margin auto because we're doing it 100%. We're not doing it 90. The color can be white. We don't need the font family because we've already done it in the body. Font weight 100 and margin bottom, you know what all that means. That's good. Just grab that. And basically what we're going to be doing is this is for the paragraphs in each of these divs here. So boom, paragraph. Save that. Yeah, site looks good. We're going to make these buttons a little bigger. Like I said, I'm not going into doing too much. I'm kind of copying because you've done all this before and you understand all what's going on here. Got background color, got margin bottom, Got font size, you know what all that means. And the class is button success. So do exactly like we did there. Bottom section dot column v4 class of button success. And we can put in this stuff. Boom. All right, we're looking good. Now, all we have to do is give each of these divs links. So let's go ahead and highlight all three of these divs, indent them, because we're about to wrap them in an A tag. And for right now, we don't need to give them any specific link. So we'll just do a holder with the hashtag, as it's becoming known these days, come to be known. All right, now the only thing we want to do is we want to change these divs so that when we hover them, and just change the color just enough for the user to know. So see how that changed? See, look at that first div. See, look at that first div. See how it's changing? Lighter, full color, lighter. All right, so how can we do that? We just go over here. We can grab exactly this. Give it that pseudo hover class, pseudo class of hover, and we'll say opacity 0.9. So, beautiful. And the buttons even interact when you roll over them. Awesome. We have this whole section done down here at the bottom, and then all we have to do to complete the site is the footer. Great job, guys.